Hello everyone, and welcome back to Dr. Roofing Solutions, your trusted partners in roofing excellence. My name is Pablo, and today we are taking a high-tech approach to roof measurement using EagleView, and we will guide you through the process from start to finish, including inspections and permits. EagleView is a cutting-edge technology that allows us to measure your roof remotely, providing accurate dimensions without the need for a physical inspection. Before we get started, we will need your address to initiate the EagleView process. With this software, we can get detailed and comprehensive reports that are very important for a roofing project. This report includes accurate roof measurement, including length, areas, and pitches, and it provides a detailed breakdown of each roof section, helping in the estimation of materials required for the project. Since we get high-resolution aerial imagery of your property, we will get a clear view of the roof and its surroundings, and we can get a better picture of your roof, including the pitch of the roof, and this information is crucial for accurate material estimates and installations. Also, we can get an obstruction report to identify any obstruction of the roof, such as a chimney, vents, or skylights. And after we receive your EagleView report, our next step is on-site inspection. This is a crucial step to ensure that the measurements align with the actual condition of your roof. And we will schedule a convenient time for our expert team to visit your property and conduct a full inspection. During this process, we will assess the condition of your existing roof, and we'll check for any potential issues such as rotten wood, pipe leaking, and water stains, among others. After the inspection has been completed, we will move on the permit process, which is basically obtaining the necessary permits from your local county. The time, it will depend on your local authorities, but it shouldn't take more than 5 business days in most cases. But please allow me to give you a piece of advice. It's extremely, very important that you hire a licensed company like Dr. Roofing to ensure that the roofing project is compliant with the building codes and regulations. We have encountered many cases where homeowners decide to hire a company under the table just to save a couple bucks. But let me tell you, in the long run, they end up spending way more money re-roofing to prevent having problems. That's when they want to sell the house or problems with insurance companies. So please be aware of that. Well, after we get the permits and the quote is approved, we will be ready to start working on your roof. The first step is to remove the existing materials so we can have everything ready to install your new roof. Let me remind you that the kind of materials, such as shingle, tiles, or metal, it will depend on your preferences, style, and budget. But if you live in a community, you might have to check it out the regulations with the property managers. To complete the installation of your new roof, it shouldn't take more than 48 hours in most cases, if we don't find any surprises along the way. Thank you for joining us today as we walk you through the efficient process of measuring your roof using EagleView, conducting on-site inspection, and obtaining the necessary permits. If you are ready to embark on your roofing project, contact us with your address and let's get started on creating a safe and durable roof for your home. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more roofing insight and tips. Stay tuned to Dr. Roofing Solutions. Until next time, may your roof be sturdy and your homes be cozy. Take care.